Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So the topic that we will discuss today it is the compounds of boron. As we have just studied about the boron, it is mainly from group 3A. We can also write it as in Roman 3A. Its electronic configuration we have 1s2, 2s2 and 2p1. It contains 3 electrons in its valence shell. So here we will study about how boron make bond with the other elements and what are the main properties of its compounds. So we have two types of compound for the boron. The first one we have its borax, which is also known as tinkle or tinkle powder. Then we have its second compound, which is known as boric acid. So mainly the boron is in nature it is found with the combined with the oxygen element in the periodic table. So that's why mainly all are the oxides. So the first one we have borax. Let's have a look at what are the main properties of the borax. So here we have borax in which the boron combined with the sodium and it is known as sodium tetraborate in which two sodium combined with the 4 boron and oxygen and along with the water of crystallization. So this is the simple formula for the borax. It is known as sodium tetraborate decahydrate. So the word deca here is showing that it is having 10 water molecules along with as water of crystallization. Its main formula we have Na2B4O7 in which sodium Na tetraborate tetra mean 4. So 4 boron atoms are present with the 7 oxygen and decahydrate means 10 water molecules are present. So this is the simple salt of the boron. It is also known as tetraboric acid. So borax is the sodium salt. It is mainly known as the sodium salt of tetraboric acid. Why it is called as tetraboric acid? Because it is having 4 boron atoms in its formula. Then we have the occurrence of the borax tinkle in dried up lakes of Tibet and California. It is mainly found in the California and Tibet as lakes in the form of tinkle powder. Then we have the simple preparation method. It can be prepared from boric acid and from soda ash. Here we have the boric acid formula H3BO3. It combines with the soda ash that is known as sodium carbonate and it forms the borax plus water molecules and carbon dioxide. It is an old method and the whole solution of boric acid is nowadays used for this process. Next, let's have a complete detail of the manufacturing of the borax. First one we have the boric acid. Its formula is H3BO3. It is the boric acid. It combines with the sodium carbonate or it is also known as the soda ash. Both are present in the solid state. They combine and make the borax along with the production of water molecules and carbon dioxide as a gas. The second method for its preparation we have colamenite. This is also the calcium salt of boron and then it combines with the soda ash sodium carbonate. We gain the main product which is borax along with production of the calcium carbonate and sodium borate. Then we have the third method for the preparation of the borax in which the sodium metaborate. Its formula is NaBO4. Here it is also the byproduct of this process. When it combines with the carbon dioxide, we just gain the sodium carbonate and the borax as Na2B4O7. So this is a simple method for the production of the or the manufacturing of the borax we have. So this was the very simple topic that is preparation of the borax. In the next, we will discuss about the properties of the borax, that what are the main properties of borax, that what is the main percentage of the borax, what is the main occurrence of the borax. As it is, its manufacturing was, we were having mainly in three different forms. In which, so one was about the sodium metaborate, which was NaNBO2. Then we was having its calcium salt, and the first one method that we were having, it was with the boric acid. As boric acid, it is the acid of boron. Its formula is H3BO3. So this was a simple topic. I hope you guys understand. And if you have any queries, you may ask me about that in the comment section, and I will get back to you guys soon. So we will study next topic in detail about the properties of the borax. For that time, you guys keep learning and have a good day.